Hey everyone, this is Max and welcome to another Workflows video. Now in this video, I want to show you how to create an event on Google Calendar. So for example, if you have a shared calendar and you want to create an event after you finish a workflow, maybe some kind of onboarding or some kind of a new employee celebration, but it can really be anything you want. So let's get started. I'm going to go to Workflows and I'm going to create a new flow. And I'm going to give this a name. So this is going to be new calendar event. I'm going to click here, and this is important, so that will help me with testing. So it will show me how data flows from card to card. But again, if you don't enable this now, you can always enable it later as well. All right. Now, first is, so we're going to add two cards, which will hold the start date and then the end date. So let's do that. And this is just a simple compose card. Let's get this a little cheat sheet here. So whatever is here, it will be also the output. So the start time here is 9 a.m. Pacific time on Monday, November 8th. And if I test, the output is going to be identical in this case. So this is the start time. Let's do one more card, which is going to be composed as well. And this is going to be the end time, and then we'll just change this to 10 a.m. Now, the last card is the Google Calendar card. So I'm going to click Add App Action option and Google Calendar. The event that I want is Create New Event. Now, I'm already connected to a Google Calendar, so if you're doing this for the first time, you'll need to connect to a Google account. And then you can select which calendar. So this is the calendar option, and then save. All right. So there are two required parameters here: the start time and the end time. Everything else is optional. But let's give this a name. So maybe new. This is the title of the event. Orientation. And then the start time. Why don't we get this here? We're going to map. So the value from the output from this card is mapped to the start time, and then value from here is going to be mapped. So I really love this, the mappings. They're just so amazing. That's it. You can add a location, you can add a description, join us, not just join us to say hello, something like this. And then some other options, but again, we don't need to enter those. Let's save. And then let's test this. All right, so we switch to this test mode, and then we can see how data is passed from card to card. So we can see the start time was mapped here, the end time was mapped here. And again, that's why you want that option at the beginning enabled. But let's go to the calendar, and right here we got the event that was created. All right, so pretty neat. But that's all for this particular video. Again, this showed you how to create an event on Google Calendar. Thanks for watching.